Hello friends, let's start today's vocabulary class. We are doing our vocabulary from Revstart textbook. Revstart is a very famous book among Swedish learners, and we are doing our vocabulary chapter wise and page wise. So we will do page 2 of chapter 1 today. So here are the words. First word is poa. Poa, on or at in English. The use of this word is like pomonda, potisda, on Monday, on Tuesday. And the second use with the reference to some place, po burdat, means on the table. So this is how we use this word. Second word for the day is kus. Kus. Kus means course. So this is N word. Singular indefinite form for this word is en kus, a course. Definite form for this word is kusan, the course. Plural indefinite form for this word is kusar, kusar courses. Plural definite form for this word is kuserna, kuserna, the courses. Now coming to the next word. The next word is heter, and the sentence is yo hete Patricia, yo hete Daniel, yo hete Thomas. My name is Patricia, my name is Daniel, or my name is Thomas. The trick with this word is that this word is not a synonym of name in English, but it is a verb which means be called. So I'm called as Patricia, I'm called as Daniel, I'm called as Thomas. And another trick with this word is that when a name starting with a consonant says that ya hete, the R is silent. And when a name starting with vowel says that I am called as Anna, then the Anna will say ya hitra Anna. So R is not a silent in case if the name starts with the vowel. So ya hitra Anna, ya hete Daniel. Coming to next word. The next word is comer, which means comes. Ya comer from China. I am from China. Next word is taller, which means speaks. Then spoke, which means language. Vad talar du for spoke? Vad talar du for spoke? Now few more words. Såklart, såklart, which means of course. Ligger, ligger, is located. Norra, norra, northern. Pratar, pratar, which means talks. Now let's see few more words. Betoning, which means emphasis. When we want to give more value or stress on something, we'll say betoning. Utal. Utal means pronunciation, that is related to sound, the way we pronounce, that is utal. After this, there are few negative words in Svenska which stand for no or not. Inte, that means not. Nej means no. Ie means no. Ingen, no one, nobody, none. So again, inte, not. Nej, no. E, no. Ingen, no one, nobody, none. The word ear is seen on the buses in traffic in Stockholm or in Sweden, like trafik, which means the bus is not in used for commutation. So I hope you all enjoyed it. That's all for the day. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Happy learning. See you in the next class. Take care. Hej då. Tack så mycket.